Hello students, we will continue our chapter Indian Economy 1950 to 1990. Today we will discuss foreign trade or trade policy. India followed a policy of import substitution. Instead of importing goods from other countries, efforts were made to produce goods in India. Indian industries were not capable to compete with foreign companies, so steps were taken to protect them. Two forms of protection for domestic industries. Number one, tariff protection. Number two, quotas. Tariff protection. The government imposed heavy import duty on imported goods. This measure protected our industries from foreign competition. Quota. Quotas specify the quantity of goods that can be imported. Government fixed import quotas. What is the importance of protection? Protection saved our industries from foreign competition. Number two, it helped domestic industries to develop. Number three, it reduced the use of foreign exchange to buy consumer goods. Main features of the economic policy prior to 1990. Yes, friends, India opted mixed economy. We wanted to develop both public and private sectors. Number two, economic planning was introduced in order to achieve economic growth with equity. Number three, land reforms were introduced to make the real tiller the owner of the land. Number four, public sector was given more importance in our industrial policy. Number five, restrictions were imposed on private sector. The system of license was introduced. Number six, India followed an inward-looking foreign trade policy. Heavy import duty and import quotas were introduced to protect domestic industries. What was the positive impact of economic policy from 1950 to 1990 on Indian economy? We have discussed earlier also in the field of agriculture, in the field of industrial sector. Number one, contribution of industrial sector to GDP increased from 11.8 to 24.6%. Growth rate of industrial sector increased to 6%. Number two, industrial sector became diversified. Number three, India could achieve self-sufficiency in food grains. Green revolution improved the living condition of our farmers. Number four, land reforms helped many farmers to become owners of land. What were the negative effects? Public sector units became less efficient and many of them became sick units. Number two, the permit license rush discouraged private investors and prevented the growth of industrial sector. Number three, lack of competition reduced the quality of services and goods provided by our producers. Number four, India failed to develop our export sector. Balance of trade became unfavorable. Thank you.